Hello friends! In this video I'll show you how to clean hardwood floors. First, let's make a cleaner that we'll use to clean the floor. For this you will need 2 cups of water, a quarter of a glass of plain white vinegar, and a drop of dish soap. If you want your wood floors to be really clean after cleaning without small debris and streaks, then the first thing to do is to vacuum the floors. Now, soak your mop pad in the cleaning solution and wring it out well. Then I start mopping the wooden floors. When the mop pad becomes dirty, rinse it under running water. Then soak again in the cleaning solution and wring out well. If you want to clean hardwood floors without streaks, then wait until they are completely dry after cleaning, before you can work on them. So friends, if you liked these tips, put your thumbs up under the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching, see you in other videos.